In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your background in Microsoft Teams. This process is straightforward but adds a great touch of personalization to your video calls. Whether you're creating a professional virtual office space or a fun and quirky background for casual meetings, customizing your background can help set the right tone and make your meetings more visually appealing. First, open Microsoft Teams. You can access it either through your web browser or the desktop application. Once there, sign in with your credentials. If you're already signed in, make sure to select the account linked to your organization or team project so you can seamlessly join meetings without any interruptions. Next, locate the video icon in your Teams interface. Clicking this icon typically gives you options to start a new meeting. If you're joining a meeting already in progress, Teams usually offers the ability to choose your background before entering. For new meetings, click on Start Meeting to set up your meeting screen. Once your meeting window is open, look for the three dots icon, also called More Options, usually found in the toolbar. Click on it to access additional settings that control your meeting environment. From the menu that appears, select Video Effects and Settings. This option allows you to blur your background or replace it with a static image, giving you control over both professionalism and creativity during your call. Now it's time to select the background you want to use. Microsoft Teams offers a variety of options ranging from simple colors to elaborate, themed scenes. Take a moment to browse through these choices and pick one that suits the context of your meeting. Remember, your background communicates more than just style. It can reflect your mood, professionalism, or creativity to other participants. After selecting the ideal background, click Apply. It's always a good idea to preview it first to ensure it aligns well with your surroundings and doesn't interfere with video quality. Teams will maintain a clear and unobstructed view of you while applying the background. And that's it. You've successfully changed your background in Microsoft Teams. Feel free to experiment with different options depending on the type of meeting or audience. These simple steps help keep your virtual meetings fresh, engaging, and visually polished, giving you a professional edge while making your calls more enjoyable. Thanks for tuning in today, and I hope this tutorial helps you enhance your Microsoft Teams experience. Don't forget to check out other tutorials for more tips on optimizing your workflow and improving your virtual meetings. Happy teaming!